Do you know that the average shelf life of a property for capital appreciation angle is around 15 years, and thereafter is unlikely to see significant pricing appreciation spike thereafter after that? Take a look at one real example, Queen's Condo. If you have bought a property, Queen's Condo, back in 2013, you will have paid about $1,350 per square feet. Fast forward to year 2022, if you choose to sell the same property, you have to sell it around the same per square feet of $1,400. What does this mean? This means that after 9 years, your property in Queens did not appreciate at all. Contrast to this with Commonwealth Tower, a condominium project that started selling in year 2014, which is just across the road. Even though it was going close to $1,650 per square feet, which was around $400 per square feet higher in terms of per square feet than Queens, Commonwealth Tower was a new project, so it still has a fresh lifespan for capital appreciation. That is why Commonwealth Tower successfully managed to enjoy significant appreciation in price to almost $2,000 per square feet in year 2022. That's a wobbling 20% gain in just 8 years. Yes, so it is critical to measure the potential unlimited headroom for growth rather than just considering from the resale market as a result of comparing prices on per square feet angle. So if you want to uncover the untold market insights and know how to correctly identify and spot the up and coming growth area where property prices are almost certain to appreciate in the next 3 to 5 years, do click on the link in this video to register your interest. Hi, my name is Adrian, and for the past 15 years, I have the privilege to successfully assist many of my long-term loyal clients to achieve their financial portfolio goals through real estate ownership and transacting in property in Singapore and international market. I will conduct in-depth research through the search framework and in-depth price analysis and market positioning for a real estate portfolio, which will be in line with detailed current market research through the elements for you to make precise decisions with your assets. Throughout my career and investment journey, I note that the best way to maximize your property gains is to understand and take advantage of the government urban transformation plans. However, for many people, it's too time-consuming and too technically termed. More so, if one do not possess the expertise to tap onto the urban planner's mind. I will assist you with the know-how to connect the dots together to determine the next area of high growth for your investment portfolio. I will be most pleased to have the honor to share with you these insights with you when we meet up. So click on the link in this video to register your interest now. Looking forward to connect with you. Ciao!